everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Healthcare. Natural Healthcare is all about natural way of healing techniques that are rooted in natural remedies and self-care. Some of the more common natural health therapies and medicines include homeopathy. My name is Dr. Saili Bosle. I am a homeopathic physician. Do you know homeopathy is the second largest system of medicine in the world? Over 200 million people use homeopathy worldwide. It is practiced in more than 82 countries, including developed countries like France, UK, Germany. Also practiced with good support from the government in some countries like UAE and Asia. Before we start, what is homeopathy? I would like to tell you why should you try homeopathy? Why homeopathy is so popular? Is homeopathy the best solution for your health problems? The biggest advantage of homeopathy is safety. It is the most effective and the safest system of medicine in the world. Homeopathic medicines can be safely used for kids, newborns, elders, and during pregnancy. Homeopathy cures an individual without any harmful side effects. When we use modern medicine, side effects are common. Before you take any medicine, think, is it safe? Is there any safe treatment? And the answer is big S. Homeopathy has no side effects. Medicines are prepared from natural sources like plants, minerals. Medicines are used in very small doses. Homeopathy is used to boost immunity. The Ayush Ministry of India also recommends homeopathy for immunity. You all know COVID 19 has spread across all countries. While taking precautions for coronavirus, we can all work on boosting our immunity with the help of homeopathy. COVID 19 is challenge for all types of medical systems. Everyone is trying to do their best. Homeopathy helps to develop natural defense against diseases. It can act as both preventive and curative medicine. Arsenic album 30 has been prescribed by the Ayush Advisory as a homeopathic prophylactic for the COVID 19 pandemic. Homeopathic medicines have long lasting results. Homeopathy is used to maintain health, cure acute diseases like cold, coryza, fever, and chronic diseases like asthma, arthritis, allergies. Homeopathy raises your immunity, your defense mechanism, while antibiotics lower it. Antibiotics do not give the body chance to develop antibodies. We have more than 4,000 remedies. Each remedy has been tested on healthy human being. Detailed study has been done. It's called drug proving. Modern medicine considers disease as an affection of a part or organ system. For example, arthritis is a disease of joints and treatment is directed towards that particular organ system. We get quick relief, but not the permanent cure. But homeopathy believes in holistic approach, that means treating an individual as a whole being, man as a whole. One of the most important principles of homeopathy is individualization. Whole person is sick, not his parts or organ system. It's an art of understanding an individual, his mind, behavior, reactions, sensations, his physical, emotional status to select exact remedy. Healing should come from within. It should be natural. Patient should feel better both mentally and physically. When we treat 10 patients of cold, cough or fever, each patient will receive different remedy based on the personality. Homeopathy was discovered by a German MD physician Dr. Samuel Hahnemann in the year 1796. Hahnemann coined the term homeopathy from two Greek words. Homeos means similar and pathos means suffering. It's based on law of similia similibus curenter. In English, it means like cures like. Any substance which has capacity of producing disease-like symptoms in healthy person can cure similar symptoms in sick person. Let me explain this with examples. Drinking too much coffee can cause sleeplessness in healthy people. So according to the law of similia, homeopathic remedy coffea cruda can cure sleeplessness in diseased person. Let me give another example. Onion produces watery eyes, runny nose in healthy person. The homeopathic remedy Aliumcipa, which is prepared from onion, is used to treat hay fever, that is allergic rhinitis. Homeopathy is non-invasive. It's gentle and painless system of medicine. More and more people are realizing the limitations and the side effects of modern medicine. People are turning towards alternative healing therapy. Sports stars, film stars, our leaders, our Prime Minister Modi ji, the Queen of England believe in homeopathy. Use homeopathy for yourself and your family for quality life. Stay healthy and stay happy. Let's learn together and grow together to welcome homeopathy. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.